In this video, I want to share with you 5 Ideogram AI prompts for trending niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 5 prompts for Ideogram, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is Friday, May 3rd, 5:51 p.m., and I'm sitting at 31 sales, 6 returns, $60 in royalties. That's going to put me at 163 sales for the month and $242. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So when it comes to using AI for print on demand or for my merch by Amazon business, my favorite platform is Ideogram. And the reason why I like Ideogram so much is because you can use text with it. Now, I don't know if the other ones like Midjourney or Dolly or those ones use text, maybe they do, but for some reason I've just always used Ideogram. I like them, and I've gotten some good designs from them. So if we go to Flying Research, which is where I like to find my trending niches, or one of the places I like to find my trending niches, I always also like to use TikTok. But if we come over here to where it says seller trends, we can see that there's actually some good trends going on right now. This time of the year, end of April, beginning of May, there's good trends. Even though we got school coming out, so like Bro We Out, this is probably the most popular niche right now. And there's some other ones that I'm going to go over here in a second. But if we jump on over to Ideogram, this is the first prompt that I have for you, and it's for probably the most popular trend right now, which is We Out Bro. Now, this has to do with teachers, or for end of graduation. I believe it's for teachers because a lot of them, like if we come back here, we're just going to see like there's a lot of these Bro We Out, and it says teachers right here. So I believe it's for teachers for end of school, so Bro We Out. There's another one right here, another one right here, another one right here. It looks like it's the most popular one right now. So you can see they're kind of like all over the place right here. I don't know the competition. I think when I checked last, it was right around 2,000. So you might have to run ads. But if we go to Ideogram, we can actually get a pretty good prompt. So this is the prompt right here. If you want to pause the video, and you can use this, just go ahead and pause it and jot it down. But right here, it's going to be We Out Bro. Now, the only thing is that I spelled bro wrong. I think it's B-R-U-H. So just make sure that you change that. Retro RV with palm trees and retro sun on the background. Summer t-shirt design. Custom illustration for posters. You don't have to do that if you don't want. Vintage distressed style. Each letter in the text showed in different colors. And each letter in the text showed, okay, so it's kind of like repeated. Isolated white background t-shirt printables. So I think this actually came out really good. This is very kind of classic, typical print-on-demand style, and I think this will work well. And it's kind of a little bit different where you have the RV. I don't think I saw too many using the RV. Let me just double check. So actually almost barely any of them have any clip art, except for like these sunglasses right here. So that could be one way to differentiate yourself. So that is the first Ideogram AI prompt that I have for you. It is this one right here, and it is for the niche We Out Bro. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the next niche, which is one that I had not heard of before, and it kind of took me by surprise. I don't know if you guys have heard about this niche yet, but it's right. It's this one right here, I Choose the Bear. And if we go, actually I won't show you, but I Choose the Bear. I don't know why this is trending. I believe it is a social media trend that I saw on TikTok. I did a little research on it. I did not fully understand the trend or the niche. Maybe you guys could let me know in the comments, or maybe you could just do the research yourself. But from what I researched, it has to do with a question that has been going on social media, where someone will ask a woman, if they were alone in the woods, what would you rather have, a man or a bear? It sounds kind of weird, but a lot of the women, they choose the bear instead of the man. Again, I don't know exactly what this niche is about, but it is trending. So I Choose the Bear. There's one right there, and I think there is some other ones as well right here. I Choose the Bear. Let's see if I can find another one. We can see that's 2 duplicates right there. Here's another one, I Choose the Bear. So you can see that this is trending right now. They're getting sales. And here is the prompt that I made for this one right here. I Choose the Bear with the retro sunset, bear wearing sunglasses. And the prompt is a captivating 4K vector t-shirt design featuring a retro vintage inspired sunset scene. At the center is a bear wearing sunglasses, adding a playful touch to the design. The distressed black style and steampunk elements give the image a uniquely and edgy feel. The text, "I choose the bear," is displayed in bold graffiti style typography with a touch of 3D render to enhance the overall effect. All right, so let me know what you guys think. I think this actually looks pretty good. I think this will work well on a t-shirt. Again, kind of a weird niche. Again, if you know why this is trending, let us know in the comments. But as we can see here from Flying Research, it is trending. Now you are going to have to check for trademark. Let's just do that real quick so we don't get anybody in trouble. Like this, but I doubt it's trademark, but always good to just double check. So I choose the bear, expert. Oh, what happened? Shoot, sorry about that. I choose the bear. Try that again. Take a quick sip of coffee. I like to get rid of dead and then do by 25, and we can see that it doesn't look like anything is popping up. Okay, so it looks like that is safe, but again, always do your research. But that is the second niche or prompt that I have for you using Ideogram AI. Okay, now the next one, let's see, what is the next one? Oh, school's out for summer. So I also saw this trending as well. Let me see if I can find it. But a lot of these, right now, there's a lot of graduation, end of school designs or niches that are selling. So let's see if I can find one that said that. So right here, school's out for summer. And there's several other ones as well. And this is the prompt that I, oh, whoops, jumped the gun there. This is the prompt that I have for you. So colorful text and graphics. The text, "School's out for summer," is written in orange and yellow. There's a pair of Luck sunglasses in the middle. The sunglasses have a retro design and reflect palm trees and the sunset. All right, so actually this looks pretty good in my opinion. You might want to change the colors, but this is very typical, you know, print-on-demand merch style designs, especially where you have the sunglasses right here. So I think this could be a good one for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next niche or next prompt, and it is the cicada one. So I actually made a video about this niche a couple weeks ago. Actually got a lot of views, and if we come back here, we're going to see, I don't know if people are making designs because of that video or because they know that this niche is trending. But if we take a look, we're going to see we got this one right here. I actually thought this was pretty clever because they're cross niching the cicada niche also with the bro we out. So I thought that was pretty clever, very, very clever right there. So that's one. There's two, another cicada one right there. Let's see if we can find another one. But it looks like this was trending as well. And this is the prompt that I came up with. Oh, whoops, I keep jumping the gun. So right here, a vibrant chalkboard drawing of a large cicada. At the bottom of the image is the following text in bold letters: "The Great Cicada Comeback Tour, typography, painting, poster." This looks pretty good in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. But that is the fourth prompt that I have for you. And then this last one is not really trending, but I just thought it looked good. This is very kind of classic print-on-demand design style. I'll get over it. I just need to be dramatic first. So this is actually a trending or a common phrase. And what you can do here is you can actually take this prompt right here, and you can just switch out wherever it says sloth. So you could go like this. You can just copy it. Then you can come over here, and let's use a different type of animal. Let's go with something that's not too common. So you don't want to do like a cat, dog, or at least in my opinion, I would try and do something different. Maybe like a axolotl, or let's go with like a hedgehog. So hedgehog. Oh, whoops, am I spelling that right? Hedgehog. Slightly just go above the. Make sure we get everything right here. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's see what we can come up with. But you can see here, I'm just basically just scaling the design with different types of animals. And with Ideogram, this is free. You know, I think you get 25 prompts, or 25 prompts a day. Then you can sign up if you want to get more prompts. But this looks like it looks pretty good. Yeah, so you gotta admit, AI is pretty cool, man. So right here, I think these will work. So as you can see, this can be scaled as well. All right, so those are the 5 AI or Ideogram AI prompts that I have for you. Let me know what you think about these niches. Let me know what you think about these designs, and if you are using Ideogram or not. But these look pretty cool to me. I kind of had fun making this video, so maybe I'll make more of these types of videos because I'm always just talking about the niches. but maybe switch things up and show you more about prompts, how to use ideograms to get some good designs like this. All right, so that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know how I get sales like this right here on a daily basis, check out the first link in the description. It's a course that I have for Udemy. It's only 20 bucks. It's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. And also, if you want more videos, because people ask me a lot, like how do I do my research, how I do ads, go to my YouTube homepage, click on the playlist, and I have a whole bunch of playlists where I have a lot of videos talking about ads, research, trending niches, evergreen niches. I even have like blogs if you want to get to know me better and see like my life down here in Mexico behind the scenes. I have vlogs, get to know my family, things like that. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.